It's exciting. It's exciting times within the company and in the market in general. We have a great team here at West River. Everybody is pro growth, hardworking. We share a common value set, supporting one another, a very customer-centric approach to everything that we do. We try to put ourselves in the shoes of our customer as much as we can. The decisions that we make and the recommendations that we move forward with our customers is very focused on their needs and their goals and what they hope to achieve. It develops a partnership, and everybody here at West River kind of shares that value system and how we manage a lot of our customer base and the expectations that we all have to grow this business over the next 3 to 5 years. So it's challenging in the market with a lot of the volatility in some of the minerals, mineral pricing, and some of the tariff situations that are going on in the U.S. A lot of that can be mitigated, and we strive to support our customers as much as we can to control basically the price that they pay for the equipment that we offer.